Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a blow dry with tape and extensions. I start off with freshly cleaned hair, then I'll apply my favorite heat protector by Pureology. To make sure the product is distributed properly, I'll go in with my wet brush and comb it through, making sure I start at the ends and make my way up. I set my blow dry at the highest setting. I like to make sure my roots are dry first because this will prevent frizz and mold buildup, which can be caused by leaving your hair damp at the roots. This also happens because the hair is sandwiched together, so you need to be extra cautious and make sure you always blow dry your roots. I make sure I blow dry my hair until it's 80% to 90% dry. Then I go in with my babyless hot air brush to smooth the hair. It's important that your hair is mostly dry because if not, it can cause heat damage. I like to set my hot air brush at the lowest setting. It's best to start at the front, especially if you have weird kinks around the hairline. This will ensure a frizz-free blowout. I make sure to really work in the brush near the scalp and the ends on each side. Also, I always blow dry the front pieces away from the face for a swoop effect. To get extra volume at the top, I'll put on a roller. Now I'll section off my hair at the back and work my way up. I take my time on all sections so I don't have to go over it again. I also find very important to roll in the ends on the hot air brush to make sure it's nice and smooth. For extra volume around my crown area, I'll make sure that I blow dry straight up. After I finish blow drying everything, I'll go in and take out the roller. You want to make sure you leave it for as long as possible so that the hair sets in that shape. Now I'm applying the Olaplex dry shampoo. This is my little trick to apply before your hair gets greasy, and this will make sure that your blow dry lasts longer. Then I go in with my L'Oreal fixing hairspray and set everything in place. Make sure you don't use a product that has a lot of alcohol or the tape extensions can break down. And we are all done. Look at these final results.